Hi, I'm Tootie Wilson from Tootylicious, which you can find online. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make adobo spice. Let's get started. So here I have 2 tablespoons of salt. And I'm going to use a tablespoon of pepper. And this is chili powder. And I have a teaspoon of that. This is paprika. And I have a teaspoon of that. I have garlic powder. And I have a teaspoon of this. Okay. And this is cumin, and I'm going to use a teaspoon of that. And oregano, I'm going to use a half teaspoon of that. And you just mix it all up together, and the longer you let it sit, the better it gets. And it's good on all kinds of meat, like fish, beef, if you want to do that. And it's used in a lot of Dominican and Caribbean cooking. And it's just a really popular spice. And you could save yourself some money if you go ahead and make it yourself as opposed to just buying a container of it. But there it is. And just put it in a spice jar and you have yourself some adobo. So there you go. That's how you make adobo spice.